Here is the first super treasure hunt, the Ford Escort RS 2000. I gotta organize this collection. When I am done, we'll have them all laid out for you to see. Let's go ahead and look for all my supers in here. Trying to organize this. I have so many bins already full and I need more. I'm probably gonna go get them very soon. I think I need a couple more for main lines. Like these are all main lines here. Those are main lines. Those actually might be main lines, but I see some premium, so I'm not sure. I mean, this is just like 2 years of doing YouTube. Like I collected before, but not like this. So yeah, if I'm gonna clean it, I mean, I might as well just go through my supers, right? So, all right, should I just go through this whole bin? I guess I'm just gonna go through this whole bin because, well, there's just so much. So stick around if you're interested. We'll just go through these quickly, but the goal of this video is to get the supers. So I see one right there on the top. Right here we have 2 Skyline R34s, the Running on Empty, and the Tokyo Torque. These are cool. All right, here is the first super treasure hunt, the Ford Escort RS 2000. And when I am done, we'll have them all laid out for you to see. Yeah, I gotta organize this collection, like, before these cards get destroyed. I'm trying to want, like, a bin for each brand, because then they just fit together better. So I really should go get those bins. I just don't know if I'll be able to fill them up. Oh, that one's cool. Yeah, like Johnny Lightnings and stuff. They just don't all fit together correctly. Here's another super treasure hunt. This was sent in by Barry. The Porsche 935, this is the one that is like nearly impossible to see compared to the main line. There is a slight difference, but you really got to pay attention. I have a feeling there are a lot of people that missed this one because they didn't realize it was the super. I got one up here too. We're going to grab that. This guy right in here. Ugh, I hurt myself sitting down here. I'm getting old, guys. It's happening. It's happening. All right, here is the Jaguar F-Type 2020 Super Treasure Hunt. That's cool. Let's see, we got more premiums in here. I'm pretty sure this is where all the supers are, so this is the bin you want to be in for this video. This was sent in by Kevin. I only have 2 of these, so both the treasure hunts for the monster trucks were sent in by subscribers. That was pretty cool. A lot of these are whatnot buys, some store buys. Mustang, this thing's cool right here. Hemi Barracuda. Yeah, I mean, it's just like, you're only going to see these ever, like, you know what I'm trying to say? Like, you're never going to see these. They just go in a box and then they disappear until you're either looking for something, or you're cleaning, or you're organizing, or you're just stuffing more cars into a box. That being said, diecast is cool and it's pretty easy to get out of control. I'm sure many of you watching my videos probably have more crazy collections than me. Man, if you just want to see like the real deal video, guys, I could sit down at a table or something and go through I could go through every single one of my cars. I've done this once with TJ and I split them into like parts. Huge playlist of that on my channel if you want to see it. But that was like before I started doing Hot Wheels YouTube. So I would have to say my collection is about 80% larger than that video. So it's due for a collection overview. There's a lot of cool stuff. Here we go. Here is a Matchbox Super Chase. This was actually the first and only Super Chase I've ever found myself. The 1932 Ford Coupe Model B. This is when I first started working at the hobby shop. They didn't really get Hot Wheels or Matchbox cars in that often. And I had a little rant on video where I was saying like, man, like, why can't I ever find supers? I don't get it. Some of you may remember that rant about 1.5 years ago or so. And then I go to work the next day and they got a shipment of loose cars in. And what's sitting on the table? The Matchbox Super Chase. And then actually not long after, I found a bunch of these at a Walmart. That was pretty cool. I kind of asked the universe for it. Well, I did more than ask. I kind of yelled at it. Maybe I should try it again. This one's cool here. I got this at that little store near me with the overpriced cars. The final run of the Porsche 911, number 6 of 12 final run. All right, we're getting down inside here. Oh, the pink slips Porsche has been bent. Mini GT. I have a Mini GT box I'm making, so we're going to be pulling these out as I go, because my collection of Mini GTs, believe it or not, well, you would believe it if you watch my videos. I was supposed to open one of these. I have it somewhere. All right, Mike, what's going on here? Where are the supers? Are they in here? I hope they're in here before I get through the bottom of this and find out they're not. Mini GT. I've found 2 so far, so they got to be in here somewhere, right? I just don't know. This might actually be the off-brand box now that I'm looking at it. You know what? I think it is. So let me pause. I'm going to just reassemble this box real quick. Yeah, I think they're in the other box. I think they're in this one or that one. All right, let me check. Hold on. Before I put it away, we got some honorable mentions, like this guy here, the 97 Toyota Supra in white, Auto World. I haven't really seen any cool Auto Worlds like this in a long time. And then we have the silver one right there as well. Look, we got another minivan too. That was meant to be opened, but since I opened the new one, it will stay like that forever now. All right, I got these mostly sorted out. Main lines, and then those are like a mixture. Well, you saw the bottom one. This one here, is this the one here? Yeah, this is one I just made recently, like a couple days ago. And it's just mostly newer stuff in there. The goods are in this one. Don't breathe this stuff in, guys. I'm like, ugh, I hate breathing it. Off gas and BS in. Alright, here we go. Ugh. Ugh. Horrible. Alright, right on top we got a soup. That was supposed to be for a trade. Actually, it's somewhere in here. Here it is, yep. Mark, if you're watching, bro, we need to make this trade, brother. I met him a while ago at a Target, and we're always talking about making these trades, but somehow we just never get it done. Yep, this is the only Supra I have duplicates of. One of them was sent in by my subscriber, and then this is the one I found with Raza when we were both on our hunt. We both found them, actually. One thing I really got to get, guys, I just haven't, and I really should invest in them. I need some protectors for my team transports. All right, let's see what we got here. First edition's Porsche 911 GT3 Cup. Okay. Ooh, this one's cool. Porsche 993 GT2 2023 Collector Edition. This was like one of the first items I bought on Whatnot. I think I paid 20 bucks for it. We got some more premiums in here. I'm trying to get to the supers. I'm trying to get to them. Here is a bunch more premiums. Where are all these supers? Got that recently. Got that recently too. And that. Jeez. Tons of premiums. Oh my god, where are my supers? What the heck? Are they below all this? There's all my team transports. Tons of premiums. This is all premiums. I wonder if it's in the box below this. Let's go through these here and see if this, you know what? This needs, I don't have one. This needs a case because this is the one that I found with Ricardo when I finally found the Porsche after searching for months. This is that car. Special place in my heart. All right, I think these are them. Let's see. Nope, these are gonna be tons of Ferraris, right? Yeah, here's a Ferrari. I need more cases. I gotta invest in more cases ASAP. Where can I get the cheapest cases, guys? I don't need the most like high quality ones. I just need something to keep these things looking good. Ooh, that's a good one. I paid a lot of money for that on Whatnot. Ferrari FXX. Yo, you know what? You're right. You're right. I'm not sure which one you said it, but you said that this guy looked more like an FXX than actually looks just like it. So yeah, we can officially say that the Samurai car is modeled after the FXX, more so than the Enzo itself. Cool. All right, we're getting into some cooler stuff here. This was sent in by Paul, Ford Galaxy. I feel like I just showed you a lot of these a couple months ago. Ferrari F512M. And this is the Tanner Fox Porsche. This is like when I really started collecting again back in like 2010. The first run of the Honda S2000. Prized possession. That's why it's in a case. What else we got here? Oh, there we go. Here's the Glory Chaser Super Treasure Hunt. This was actually given to me by TJ, which, thank you so much, TJ. I still can't believe he did that. You may have seen that video. Some of you may have found my channel through that video. Oh, here's one of the cool things I got. The Mazda MX-5 Air. You got a Lamborghini Diablo in purple, which is also very nice, might I add, but it's on the wrong card. So yeah, we definitely got to keep that protected. And another Ferrari. Oh man, where are the supers? I found only a couple supers. I don't know what just fell, but I don't want to look. All right, we got to button this up. If you want to see more of this, guys, if you really want me to go through all of this stuff, we got a lot of cooler stuff in here, older stuff too. It's probably at the bottom, but if you want to see it all, let me know, and we can make plans to do so. If you're enjoying this video in general, let me know, because I'm just recording myself cleaning, which is funny. It's funny that cleaning can be content. Also, funny story, my mom said to me recently, Mark, are you like one of those like influencers? And I was like, well, I hate that word, but I guess kind of, yeah. I thought that was hilarious, so. All right, let's get into the bin below. I think that's where the rest of the supers are. I mean, I hope so. All right, I believe we have 2 more bins it could be in. Here we go with the off-gassing. Again, don't breathe this in. Okay, so this is main lines. Which one is this? Yeah, these are main lines. Let's see what's in here. I think this might be like RC car controllers, I think. Oh, Oh god, these are like special cars. Is this where the supers are gonna be? What do you think, guys? Leave a comment below. I think I might have to merge this bin and the one we were first looking at. So I guess this is what we're gonna do now. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull out any chases just to keep them safe. This one here is the Chevy Silverado out of Johnny Lightning, White Lightning, the Corvette White Lightning. Oh wait, here we go. Here's the Super, the Audi R8 Spider. I love this one, man. This one was purchased on Whatnot. I think I got it for like $17 if I remember correctly. What else we got? Oh, here we go. Lotus Evija. Picked this one up off Marketplace for 20 bucks. I just saw it and I was like, you know what, 20 bucks, I'll go get it. Another White Lightning. This was sent in by Barry. This thing's so sick. I really gotta get Johnny Lightning protector cases. It hurts. All right, let's clear out some of these mini GTs. What else we got here? Super Chase down here. Pagani Super Chase. I found this actually. I actually found that. And I had another one sent in and I gave it to TJ. I don't know why that's in here. Throw that in the customized box. These are mini GTs, but I'm pretty sure the rest of the supers are in here. This one's so cool. 66 Supernova. I actually recently bought this and I freaking love this thing. All right, what do you think? Ford GT Super Chase. This was sent in. Yeah, here we go. This is my favorite one. This was the first Super Chase I ever bought. You know what? I opened the door over here and it's just made the lighting in here so weird. But we'll go out here and verify the amazingness of this car. This thing is so sick. So this is the white Porsche, right? This is the white one, just in Super Chase version, which came out before the white one and the red one. So sick. I sliced my finger on one of these bins. Gotta be careful for that. All right, where's the rest? We're getting there. This thing's cool. Airplanes. These are actually Ryan's. I gotta pull them out because I'll be seeing him soon. There we go. This is pre-Super Treasure Hunt, right? I can't remember. No, it says TH on it. I don't see the logo. Pretty sure it's back there. 73 Ford Falcon. This was sent in by Paul as well. Paul had sent like a box of chases. There's a video on my channel, guys. If you just search Hot Wheels from Paul, you can watch it. It was one of the first super cool unboxings I did with TJ. All right, let's see. I don't know why that's in a package. That's a treasure hunt, but it's not that exciting. Not the most exciting. Like I said, I got some random things in cases, and here is a BMW 507 Super Treasure Hunt from 2024. This was sent in by David. David was sending some crazy stuff at a certain point in time. What else we got? Here's the one. This was with Ricardo. We went all the way to the middle of Florida to go to a die-cast store, and on the way there, Ricardo was like, I gotta use a bathroom. Pulled off the highway. There was a Dollar Tree. We went in, found 2 sealed cases, and pulled supers out of both of them, which is pretty rare. So that was a really cool day. This was the last super I found. No, I'm sorry, it's not. It's not, because I found the Pajero. And I think we're getting to the end right here. I'm pretty sure this is the last super treasure hunt I have. Not positive. I'll keep looking. This one here, the 2013 SRT Viper. This was the first super treasure hunt I ever found back in 2017. I went through a bin of tons of different cars and I came across this and was like, ugh, that's ugly. I tossed it back. I don't think I found any mainlines though, which is weird because I'm 95% sure I didn't find a mainline. And then I went through one more time and I saw it and I was like, you know what, maybe I should buy it. And I just, that's when it clicked, like, yo, it's got rubber tires. And that's probably exactly what I did. I went, and I was like, oh my God, a super treasure hunt. So yeah, that right there is the first super treasure hunt I ever found. And here is all of them laid out. And there's a couple here we didn't go over. So we got this one right here, the 71 Pontiac Firebird, just beautiful. This was sent in by Steven. We have the Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo was sent in by Nathan. The Nissan 180SX Type X, which was given to me by Ricardo. You guys are just so nice, man. I've gotten, most of my supers have come from you guys, and that's just like mind-blowing to me. This one I actually bought on Whatnot. This is the 8 crate. And then we have the Audi R8 Super Chase, which was sent to me by the Whatnot seller, JR Industries. And then the last one here, Matchbox Moving Parts Super Chase. What is my favorite? Well, I'm gonna say probably this. I mean, it's not really, it is a super, but it's not a super. So that's my favorite. And then second, probably the Lambo, dude, right? Yeah. Here is my super treasure hunt collection and a little bit of my actual collection. If you want to see more, guys, let me know. I've mostly organized everything now. Just got to stack it all back up. Just waiting for the next time I tear it apart, looking for something Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.